Hello dear students, today we are going to start our online lectures. Uh, so before starting the lecture, we should know our syllabus. Let us go for our syllabus. Friends, this is our website https colon slash slash sites.google.com slash view slash engdmvr. So this is the website of English department. I went to the website. Now in it you will able to see home, faculty, courses, syllabus, question paper, video lectures, important books and many more things. So here I'm going to click on syllabus. This syllabus. Now let us, as we are in BAFY. So let us click on BAFY. Net is slow, it will take time. Oh yes, it has come. So this is semester 1 syllabus. Now let us semester 2 syllabus. This is FYBA semester 2 CBCS pattern syllabus. Let us see what is there in syllabus. Uh, hmm. Look friends, this syllabus is divided into 4 units. The first unit is prose, second one is poetry, third grammar and fourth one is communication skills. So the unit number 1 prose, here we have 3 essays. The first one is India's Message to the World. It is by Swami Vivekananda. The second one is uh, Eyes Are Not Here. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Third one is The Birth of India's Film Industry by Pamela Hutchinson. So these 3 essays, 3 prose are there in unit number 1. And as far as mark weightage is concerned, there are 20 marks on unit number 1. Let us turn towards the next, that is unit number 2. So this is our unit number 2. Now here in unit number 2 we have 3 poetry. The first one is My Grandmother's House. It is written by Kamala Das. The second one is uh, Ozymandias. It is written by P.B. Shelley. And the third one is the Science, To Science. Sorry, this Edgar is not there. To Science. It is written by Edgar Allan Poe. This Edgar should be here. The poet name is Edgar Allan Poe, and the name of the title of the poem is To Science. So this is, and let us turn towards third one. This is our unit number 3. It's for grammar. Now here in this, let us see the first one, synonyms. The next one is antonyms. Third one is tenses. Tenses, there are 3: simple present tense, present perfect tense and simple past tense. These 3 tenses have to be studied this year, and this unit is for 10 marks. So there will be 10 marks on this entire unit in second semester. Let us turn towards unit number 4. This unit number 4 is very important friends, because uh, it has more weightage. It has 30 marks. Let us talk about this. The first one, the unit number 4 title is communication skills. I already told you about communication skill, what is communication skill and how to use it in your day-to-day life, and what is the importance of communication skill. The first one in it is meeting people, exchanging greetings, salutations and taking leave. This is the first one. In unit number 4, the second one is introduction yourself. You have to introduce yourself here. Uh, on it, the marks are given. Preparing a paragraph with the help of given points. This is the third one, and the last one is formal letter. So here the fourth items are here in unit number 4. So this is for a syllabus. Here, as I already told you, we have 4 units in semester 2. Unit number 1, prose, 3 things are there. Unit number 2, poetry, 3 poetries are there. Unit number 3, grammar, 5 things are here. Actually there are 3 things: synonyms, antonyms, and tenses. In tenses there are 3. So including all, there are 5 things. In unit number 4, communication skill, meeting people, exchanging greetings, salutation, taking leave, all this including there are four things. So as far as textbook is concerned, as I already told you, in the last semester there was a book called Roots. In this year also in the semester also, the same book is there for your second semester. This is Roots, and I know you have this copy. You have to study from this book. As far as your reference books are concerned, let us talk about your reference books. Let me clear this. These are your reference books. These are your reference books. uh, the communicator, you can get it from the library or college library. The next one is high school English grammar and composition, which is written by Renan Martin and revised by Dr. N.D.V. Prasad Rao. And the next one is a course in English grammar and English grammar and composition. These are some of the reference books. So if you don't have time, or uh, if you are away from the college, no worries, we will complete all the syllabus and all the notes will be provided to you as far as grammar is concerned. And for the lesson and poetry, you have to go for this book. Let me show you the image of this book. This is the textbook. You have to go through it. So friends, with this we stop here. I hope you have got the idea what is the semester 2 syllabus, how many things are there, what is the marks, the weightage of the marks, and which book is prescribed here. As already told you, the same book is there for semester 2. In this way, we stop here. We will meet again in the next lecture. Thank you very much.